So Uber has become a worldwide taxi-hailing app in India. There is one app's tour is much more pervasive and common in Indian life. It's Ola Cabs. Look at the logo of Ola Cabs. It's very bright and distinctive, right? Today I want to introduce this popular taxi-hailing company in India. The presentation is divided into 4 parts. The first part is the introduction of Ola Cabs. In December 3rd in 2010, Mumbai Ola Cabs was founded, telling their customers that Ola can take your places. And in the past 8 years, it has experienced some great achievement in the world. For instance, as of April 2017, Ola was valued at $3 billion, and in 2018 January, it has extincted its first overseas market from domestic India to Australia, and in August in UK. At the same time, the company expanded to a network of more than 1 million vehicles across 169 cities. The second part is the company analyzed through a brief look at the company. The statistics shows how Ola grows fast in the past few years. It has over 40 million customers around the globe, and it's present in over 150 Indian cities now. 1 million vehicles, including autos, government-registered taxi, yellow cabs, etc. And its app's registration is over 1 million booking requests per day. And its investments in Ola pound quickly in recent years. The third part is the market analysis of the company. 8 years ago, the taxi market scenario in India is hugely fragmented. It was composed by unorganized cars and fleets in local places. And the unorganized group accounts for roughly 60% of total market share. Aggregators like Ola Cabs occupy 23% of total market. Multiple car rental agencies belong to a fleet group which accounts for 10% of total market, and the rest are owners of some rental companies like Maru. But things changed too fast. In 2018, Ola's potential market share grows to 80%. Looking into how Ola can stand out in domestic market, we should compare with its competitors in India when comparing with Uber and Taxi for Sure. We can find that there are several reasons why Ola can grow in such a fast pace in the last few years. From overview comparing, we can find that Ola Cabs raised more funds than Taxi for Sure, even though lower than Uber. Uber is a worldwide transportation network. When it turns to service, we find that Ola Cabs are comprehensive and available in India than Uber. For instance, it offers fleet-size service while Uber cannot. At the same time, Ola cabs are listed more cities in India than taxi for sure and Uber. Additionally, Ola cabs have more sectors than Uber, and the fleets are various in term. Last but not least, Ola cabs propose innovations such as the huge fleet of Ola Mini with fare at Rs.13 per kilometers to attract different people's demand. In conclusion, Ola use more comprehensive and innovative service to make it grow into a mature company. Digging into what Ola take to people for user on for one thing, it can make customers take vehicle with apps in hand. It can achieve instant booking, pre-booking, and more important, it can list the rates and costs in the system to make customers to have better choice, and the payment is various, of course. For another multiple price is offering service are available. There are 6 kinds of service, and it does not include all service. For drivers, Ola process the domestic job requirement by offering jobs to driver. It shows extra income for drivers, and people who's expert in driving can earn additional money by driving in their spare time, so the working hours is flexible to them. The important part for Ola is that it offers drivers training for drivers, and drivers driving technique, promise the safety for customers. Meantime, car maintenance fee is promised in cab. According to SWOT analysis of Ola cabs, we can find its strengths from 4 aspects. Firstly, it offers service using different types of cars. Secondly, it uses the dynamic pricing model to rate the ride according to the demand of the rides. Thirdly, it does not have to process the fleet of cars and collaborates with drivers in the region. Last but not least, it uses art technology with strong data analysis, which help it forecast the demand in any geographic region. Turning to its weakness, there are also 4 points. It has no control over the drivers, and the brand image are greatly influenced by the driver's performance. Fake rides happen frequently on drivers in order to ride course, and the Ola is great depend on the internet and tech savvy who are able to use the service is small. Looking into the opportunities and threats, things like rethinking of business model to attract non-tech savvy customers is proposed, and threats of unclear government regulation still occur. So in the future, if it wants to become stronger and bigger, it should overcome all these threats. The final part is about entry strategy. I discussed 2 optional countries to help Ola entry into market. The first choice is Thailand because firstly there are around 3.5 million visitors go to Thailand each year, and Thailand is famous for many beautiful places. So the demand is potentially large while their public transportation is limited and taxi fees are high, and one of Ola's strengths is its reasonable price to people, and the competitors in Thailand is not violence. I think it's the best way is to expand the Thailand market is by merger and acquisition, because merger and acquisition can access a wider customer base and increasing your market share. Ola can use its current capital to merge local small vehicle company or three-wheel vehicle company to expand its reputation, and in this way it can reduce competition with local companies. This is the past analysis of Thailand. It offers professional practices for foreign fund enterprises, such as reducing taxes for foreign companies, and the tourism industry accounts for a significant proportion of economic income. Thailand is a famous place attracting people from global countries, and the digital technology make internet available so that people can book cab everywhere. In conclusion, Thailand is an attractive city for Ola cabs to enter its market for its foreign company politics and demand from visitors. I choose New Zealand to compare the entry market. This is the past analysis of the New Zealand. We can see the New Zealand has special foreign company, which means the foreign companies have to give tax for its revenue, which is bad companies. And meantime, the culture of the New Zealand is low-paced life, which means they prefer to choosing public transportation rather than taxi, and they propose driverless vehicles. Barrier makes Ola cabs to enter New Zealand. I think cultural barrier is the most difficult one, because they are preferable choose is public transportation in long time, and it's hard for them to change. If Ola cabs want to enter New Zealand market, I think the best way is to set a strategic partnership, a relationship between two synonymous enterprise with local takeaway company, because takeaway industry is popular in New Zealand. Strategic partnership can bring mutual revenue and increase cash flow to the market, as well as establishing reputation among people. In conclusion, Thailand is much more suitable market for Ola cab to expand it and develop into it from the analysis due to the main reason of its prosperous tourism industry. Ola cabs can use this advantage to gain reputation and make profit from it. Thank you very much.